Hey Linda. Sorry, hey Linda and Tim, it's Kathy. Sorry, just ate a snack and wasn't prepared to make a video. Hey, I thought I'd just do a quick Schoology tutorial for you. Hopefully this doesn't get too long. I'm actually building our PE courses for our elementary school, which is brand new this year. So I thought I'd just use this as a playground for right now to show you some things. So I have made all of these folders just by going here into the materials section and clicking add materials. That's where I can add all my folders. If I wanted to have teacher information, all of those things, I can make my own individual folders. Within that folder then, once the folder's made or as I'm making the folder, in the edit mode, at the bottom of that box, it says availability, visible. And so right now it's visible to anyone who's in my class, but if I wanted it to be hidden, then I just change this to hidden and click Save Changes. I'm not going to do that because I want it to remain viewable. Once I'm in a folder though, then it lists, I can have more folders within that folder, which I do, and then within that folder I happen to have all of my pages, a discussion board, not sure what all this junk is actually, that shouldn't be there. But once I get to building a page, it really is a lot like a Word document. It's not in my screen, but way over here to the right there's a little gear box. And when it edits page, it opens up this other viewer. I can change the font and bold and underline and all those things, and then all I do is just click Save Changes. So actual building of the pages and things is really easy. Within that page viewer also I can link to another website or an article or something like that. I can also add files here, like if I wanted to upload a PDF of something that I already have saved or whatever, that all goes here. I can also embed content like videos. If I want to do a video, I'm going to say from the web, and it's media, and I'm going to put the URL here. Often that for me, that's a YouTube video that I found of somebody else teaching jumping jacks, so I don't have to make all those videos. But that's pretty easy to do. So just wanted to give you that basic tutorial. I know it's not rocket science. Oh, one other thing. Sorry, when I go to create anything that's an assignment, when I do a quiz, when I do a discussion, if I do an assignment, any of those things have to be attached to the grade book. And so when I'm building that page, oops, sorry, I guess it's in the edit mode because that's not building. When I'm in the edit mode, what I want to do is attach a due date to it just by this little calendar tool. I also then would click Enable Grading for this. It's a discussion board. And then it brings up one more category here, and I don't have any grading categories in this, but you can create as many different ones as you want. You could have a separate grading category for assignments, a separate one for tests, a separate one for whatever, or you could just have one physics category. Doesn't matter. But once I select all those things and how many points I want it to be, save changes, then it attaches that assignment to the gradebook. It also allows that assignment to be viewable to students. If you don't attach it to the gradebook, then it is not viewable, or the submit button won't show, or all those fun things for excuse me, sorry, for kids. Don't worry too much about all these other things for now. We can go over that another day, but that should at least give you some basics on how you want to build out your course. So again, in the materials section you can build, and you can build as many folders you want, and like I said, folders within folders, or whatever. You do want to add a contact info folder. That's required for all of our teachers, just so our kids know how to get a hold of you. An email address, a Google Voice number, some way for them to get a hold of you to ask questions. So hopefully that helps. And obviously we can still talk on the phone and answer questions, but I will also copy over some of that stuff from Lene's class, physics class, into your physics master. I gave you both admin rights, so you should be able to build directly in there. Let me know what else I can do to help. Thanks.